I didn't peek. So if you want to see what I got from Stitch Fix at the same time I see what I got from Stitch Fix, you should hang around. So I'm going to go ahead and open this box up. You can see that it is unopened. And I did not look at the app to see what was in this box. So this is a surprise. I made myself not peek this time. Trying to practice just an ounce of self-control. This box is actually pretty heavy. So I'm kind of excited because it's small. It's just not a big box, you know, it's just a regular size box. I'm kind of excited to see what's in here that's causing it to be so heavy. Here it is. I see a little denim. I see some khaki. I see some fun striped colors, pink and maybe purple or white. Yeah, it's kind of purpley. It's definitely purple. You might not be able to tell from here, but very soft. We'll see. And next we have this coral colored, watermelon colored cardigan with some ties in the back. Coming up next is this, looks like a long sleeve t-shirt in a stripe print. It has a curved hem on it. Okay, we'll try it out. A dress that just kind of buttons down the front and has patch pockets. It looks like it would go down to about my knees. And then we have a pair of my favorite brand jeans, Slink. And they are some blue jeans with a animal print down the side. So, all right, so the first thing that we'll start with is this hoodie. It's a really soft hoodie. It has stripes on the sleeve. It's got plenty of stretch. It's kind of got this V-neck here with the functioning pull ties. This is a really soft lilac color, a lavender lilac. I was talking to my daughter the other day. Like, I don't know the difference between lavender and lilac. I know there's a difference as far as the actual plants are concerned, but the color, I'm like, what's lavender, what's lilac? It's really soft. I don't know if you can really, there's any way to convey it, but it's almost like a nice microfiber towel, if you will. Towel, T-O-W-E-L. So it comes pretty long on me. A lot of people like curving hems, but when your weight is in the middle, it just looks like a flap hanging from your your front side. So whatever. I'll turn around real quick. I'm not gonna change the camera angle again. There's no point. But that's the way it looks from the back. It's really soft. It's really cozy. Yeah, see, there you go. That angle shows it all. It's really soft. It's really cozy. I just don't like it. Period. All right, so next up, we're gonna do this kind of coral, peachy colored cardigan. So it's 3/4 sleeve, and then it has these like crisscross ties that are stitched here. And even on me, being as short as I am, it is like 3/4 sleeve. It comes to a little bit below waist length. I actually like the color. I like this color a lot, and it's very soft. The fabric is very, very soft. I think for a cardigan, it comes to a decent length. I just have on a black tank under it and some jeans. Very casual. I'm going to turn around and show you the back because the back has crisscrosses on it with this split in the back. So about this cardigan, I don't know what it is that I don't like about it. I'm not sure what it is that went from kind of sassy cute with the crisscross back in the sleeve to vacation Bible schooly. I don't know if it's the color. I don't know if it's the fact that it doesn't have buttons. I don't know if it's the 3/4 sleeve. I don't know what it is. But something about this is very vacation Bible schooly to me. And that's not a bad thing. It's just not a look that I necessarily go for. Top. So there is this top that has this really cool color pattern on it. I actually like these. I think this is very nautical. I think this is very pretty. I think it's very springy. So I actually like the colors quite a bit in this top. I like this neato stitching around here, this edging, but again, we have this curve hem that just kind of gives some, I don't know, it just gives a weird floppiness. Here's the deal. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you. I know that I am midsection heavy. Nobody has to guess about it. Like, seriously, nobody is like, ooh, I wonder where she carries most of her weight. It's in my stomach. So I don't want clothes, I don't expect clothes that are just going to hide that, because there's no hiding it. It's my body. But that doesn't mean that I want clothes that are just going to cling and draw attention to it. So just like some people have big hips and they don't necessarily want stuff hugging their hips, they have big booties, they don't want stuff hugging their booties. They have big feet, so they don't want to wear white shoes that make them look like they have even bigger feet. Like, everybody has their thing that they don't necessarily want to hide, but they also don't want to draw your attention to. And for me, it's my stomach. And there are some things that just bring your eye right to my stomach. So I like this top. I actually like the design of the top, but the curve hem is just an unfortunate thing that, even though I've tried it, I just don't think it looks good on me. I don't think it compliments me. Next ensemble. This is the green tank dress. So the main thing that I've noticed about this is that it seems to be gaping. That's what it's called. So you can kind of see it doesn't lie flat. But the thing about it is it's really stretchy, so there really isn't any reason to. Even when it's like loose, you can tell that it's like gaping. I don't know if you can kind of tell that. The other thing is that at the waist, now again, this comes out. Look how far that comes out from my waist. But for some reason, this button is like struggling for dear life. See, it just came open, and I had the hardest time even getting it closed because when it showed up, it was open. Okay, so, all right, so it's got plenty of stretch. It's got plenty of movement. It is very comfortable. It's got swing. Look at the swing in it. This would be a great spring fall dress. So 3/4 length sleeve that comes to about here. It's an olive green color. It has pockets that have little buttons on the front. So I like the general idea of it. So that's the back of it. Again, lots of swing. You can see it comes to right at the knee. It's a basic dress. There's not a lot going on, but I don't know that it's anything that I, want to pay Stitch Fix price for. So, but anyway, there it is. These are sling jeans. Sling jeans are my absolute favorite jeans. They're a little pricey, but they just feel good, and they keep their jeans that are substantial, because sometimes you get jeans from places and they just feel like flimsy, damn near like leggings, and I don't like legging jeans. If I wanted leggings, I'd buy leggings. I like jeans that have some some hump to them. So that's what I actually like about slink jeans. So these are blue slink jeans. I actually don't know that I own anything in this wash. So this is a great wash. But it has this print down the side that is very animal. Here's the deal. Slink jeans runs a bit expensive. I wear blue jeans every week because they're just blue jeans. Nobody's paying attention to that. But this detail is enough to make them stand out. And so I couldn't wear these once a week. People are like, you gonna wear them leopard print jeans again? So that's why I just wouldn't pay a lot of money for a pair of jeans with this stripe down the side, because I'm not gonna get a whole bunch of use out of them. Anyway, but overall, I like these jeans. I like sling jeans. Sling jeans are just great jeans. I think they make my booty look good. Boop, boop, boop. I think that they feel good. They have just enough stretch that you can feel comfortable. You sit down in them and it has just enough stretch that for people with big tummies that, you don't feel like it's cutting you all in here. So I like sling jeans, and I think these jeans look good on. This is just the downfall. So, all right, so I'm gonna be honest with you. My last 3 fixes have been duds, basically. Which I don't really fault my stylist, Jason, because sometimes the inventory is not there sometimes there are just other things that happen. I always know that Jason is listening to me because I actually asked for spring colors in this fix, and I got spring colors. So I know that even though the pieces didn't really speak to me, that he really was trying to meet the mark, which brings me to my second point. Jason included in my style note that he's going to be taking on a new role at Stitch Fix, so he's not leaving Stitch Fix, but he probably won't be able to style me all the time, which concerns me because even when Jason misses the mark, I at least see his vision and see where he was going. So I'm concerned about that because Jason was like my fourth stylist, because before I was just like, come on, y'all. And Jason just really seemed like he hit the nail on the head. And so starting back over with somebody else and not knowing who I'm going to get, it gives me a little bit of angst and a little bit of concern. This might be a perfect time for me to just halt my fixes for a while. See if they can rebuff up the inventory. See if, whatever fresh new styles and brands or something like that. I don't know. But last 3 have been not great, and so I might need to go ahead and just fall back for a little bit. Anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys the prices real quick. Hold please. All right, so what am I going to keep? Absolutely nothing. It's all going back, period. Anyway, if you have any comment suggestions or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye.